today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Maps in Elementor. This is an essential feature for any website wanting to display a physical location, and integrating Google Maps is a seamless way to enhance your visitor's experience. By the end of this guide, you'll have a map embedded neatly within your web page, making it easier for your audience to locate you or your business. First, if you haven't already, the initial step is to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once there, navigate to the page or post where you'd like to embed the map using Elementor. Click on the Edit with Elementor button, and this will open the Elementor editor interface. Elementor is a powerful drag and drop page builder, and using Google Maps here is as straightforward as it gets. Now, within the Elementor editor, you'll want to look at the left side where all the widgets are displayed. In this list, you'll easily spot the Google Maps widget, which might be a little further down, depending on how your widgets are organized. Click on it, then simply drag and drop it onto the section of the page where you want the map to appear. It's that simple. Once you've positioned the widget, it will give you a basic default location, usually set to New York City. To customize this and set the map to the specific location of your choice, click on the widget. You'll see editable options on the left pane. This is where you input your desired address or location. Type the address in the location field, and you'll notice the map updating in real time. Make sure this address is correctly entered to avoid any confusion later on. You can further adjust how your map appears to visitors. For instance, you might want to zoom in closer to give people a better view of the surroundings or zoom out. Adjust the zoom level slider to find the right balance that suits your needs. Generally, a zoom level of 15 to 16 works well for specifics, while a lower zoom out would show more area surrounding your location. Finally, don't forget to publish or update your page to save these changes. This ensures that your audience will see the new addition when they visit your website. Keep in mind that the visual aspects of your website significantly impact how users engage with your content, so embedding Google Maps not only adds utility but also visual appeal. With that, you've successfully added Google Maps to your website using Elementor. This little addition will undoubtedly enhance the way users interact with your site, allowing them to easily find your physical location or even explore nearby services. Thanks for following along in this quick but thorough guide. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more content like this. Happy mapping!